Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right after this, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Five of Swords, Ace of Swords in reverse, and Six of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is making a lot of efforts, guys. You are working hard, doing your best, using all your skills and talents, and trying hard. Maybe there are a lot of things you need to take care of today. Maybe you may be facing a lot of obstacles, opposition in your work situation, or some kind of troubles in your relationship, and you are putting in lot of efforts, trying your best, doing your best to resolve your situation. And maybe you may not see the expected results today, so some kind of mediocre results may reach you for your work. So you are worried about that, and you are worried about your situation, the way things are going today. And maybe for some of you, you would have expected certain things in a particular timeline. Maybe certain projects or some financial deals were supposed to reach you in a particular timeline, and maybe today you are lucky that it is reaching you beforehand, guys, even before the expected timeline. So something you can be happy about. And maybe for some of you, some people, maybe your friends or family, they may come with gifts, some kind of a gift. So it may be from your parents or siblings or some close friends. They are here to gift something which they love, which they have cherished for a long time. So it may be something like an inheritance, guys, you are getting today, and it may be a valuable gift. That is what you are receiving today, guys. And also, Virgos, in your situation, in this relationship, you may love this person, you may have a level of understanding with them. Maybe you are living together and you are also having a family, kids with this person. But still, there are certain things not working well for you. And the reasons may be your harsh words or your angry words or your impulsive behavior or your reactive behavior. Maybe the words you speak. Maybe you do not have anything bad about this person in your heart of hearts. But in that heated moment, when you are just angry, when you are so hot tempered, you don't know what to do and you speak rashly, maybe. So the words you speak or your behavior is what is the reason for troubles in this relationship, guys. They may not take this well, they may not understand you, but they see you as a good person and you both may share a level of understanding. But your behavior or your words are the reason for troubles in this relationship, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your daily reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards and 2 crystals here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for y'all today. It is Fairy Ointment, the Sight. So for those who chose this card, it just means that you are someone who is really sensitive. You are really special. Maybe for some of you, you have special intuitive skills and you know what that person feels truly. You can understand their emotions, and maybe in any situation you may have you may hint at the future of that circumstance or that person. So some kind of intuition, or you may have a positive insight into the future or whatever is supposed to unfold in your life or in that person's life. But you should be also very careful, guys, with this kind of sensitivity or skill. You should not be open about your gifts. You should be quiet. You should not tell each and everyone that you have your intuition working in the right way and you will be able to predict or you will be able to sense something when it is happening. So you need to understand that you cannot speak openly about these gifts. Maybe you can talk about it to the true friends you have, maybe someone you are really close, very close with, and you with whom you feel really reliable friendship, trustworthy friend. So to that person you can reveal about the gifts you have, but to others you should not be open and you should use discretion, guys. It is for your own welfare, and you should speak wisely. You should not reveal that you have such an insight or intuition guiding you or helping you, and you can speak what you feel or what you think only when people ask you your suggestions or guidance. Other than that, you should not come out voluntarily telling them how they should do or what they should do. So that is going to land you in some difficult situation, guys. So you just have to be quiet till then. So that is the guidance here. So maybe today you may have clarity regarding some situation. You may see that this is the right thing to do for someone, but until and unless that person asks you what should be their reaction or what should be their choice, you should not give them any guidance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card and the second crystal, guys. So let's see what is the card. It is Jade, and it is the Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the guidance is that in our situation today, so let it be in our work situation or in our personal life, in this relationship, so we need to be with people who always bring out the best in us, guys. So we need not be perfect. We are all not perfect, and we all make a lot of mistakes. So today the affection you have towards the people in your life, can bring them close to you. And maybe sometimes some people, they just put us down, they keep saying that we are not good enough, or we don't have talents enough or skills enough. That may be true, but still, when you have someone speaking negatively to you, it is going to make you even more even less capable of achieving some things. So even if we don't have the skills and talents, when people appreciate us, when they encourage us, it is going to bring out the best in us, guys. So we need to be with the people who always encourage us and who helps us to bring out the best of our skills and talents and abilities outside. So we should be in the company of such people. So maybe in your situation, you really like someone, but this person may be criticizing you always, so judging you maybe. So you should try and avoid this person's company and be with people who appreciate your skills. Maybe your skills may be limited, or you may not have skills like them, but still when they appreciate and encourage you, speak positively, it is going to have a positive impact on you, and it is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. And you should treasure these friends who bring out the best in us. So that is the reading with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.